morning, everybody. As you can see, we had some cloudy skies. Looks like rain's gonna be coming in here later this afternoon. We are looking at about 65 degrees, so I figured I got a Sunday, wife and kids are gone. I'm gonna go hit James A. Reed, go hit Cottontail Lake, maybe hit another one or two and see if we get any crappie or bass bite and see what we got. We'll see you out there. Another little one. Hey, we'll take them though, right? Hey guys, looks like we got about an hour in of fishing, which was awesome. Caught about 3 crappie. Threw them all back. Pretty nice lake, pretty big. Turn around here. And there's a bunch of them over here at James A. Reed. This is the first one I fished since we've been here. Not bad. Got stuck quite a bit. Definitely need to get better at casting and getting out of that. But yeah, lots of wildlife, deer, hearing some turkey gobble. A lot of geese. Obviously geese poop everywhere. But no, a couple people out here fishing. I didn't see anybody catch anything, but maybe they did. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Overall, not a bad way to spend my Sunday morning. A little rainy at the end there. That's why I stopped recording. I did catch 2 more crappie after that, but I don't think I snapped pictures of them. But definitely went over to Bass Pro right after that since it was rainy. Got some more supplies, and then later that afternoon went back out. As you can see, took a couple pictures. As you can see, the crane there also decided to catch fish faster than I did, so good for him. But did have some luck at the end of the evening around 7 o'clock. Caught 4 bass kind of right in a row between 7 and 7:30. We're going to finish off the video with just this little TikTok that I did that explained some of my Saturday. Went on fishing on the lake with my father-in-law, and they got to spend some times with my brother and his wife, their kids, and a couple cousins. And took them fishing out behind my grandpa's pond. So here's the last video of that, and appreciate you guys watching, and thanks for the support.